Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your scene and immediately saving a working copy to avoid accidental changes. Select the object you want the camera to follow, then pick or create a camera. Make sure transforms are frozen and history is cleaned so constraints behave predictably. Once done, switch to an appropriate viewport layout and frame the object. This gives you a clear reference for offsets. Now prepare to apply the constraint that links camera motion to the target object. With camera and target selected, use constrain aim to make the camera point at the object. Choose an aim vector that matches your camera orientation. If you need the whole camera to follow position, add a parent or point constraint as well. Use a world up object to prevent roll and flipping. To preserve framing, create an intermediate locator between camera and constraint so you can offset distance and rotation without breaking keyframes. This locator makes animation and adjustments non-destructive. Once your constraints look right, lock unused channels and scrub the timeline to verify motion. If you need baked curves for export or simulation, use Edit keys Bake Simulation for the correct frame range and options. Make small offset tweaks on the intermediate locator while previewing. This preserves smooth keyframes. If you see jitter or flipping, make sure constraint weights are stable, sampling rate is adequate, and scene scale is correct. Correcting those usually fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.